Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I got this little tiny lock, the Firaco Cration. Sorry. Yeah. So you see the keyway. I don't know if I can open this one. I don't even know how to get a tension tool in there. That's the key. It's tiny. It does work. I just had it a couple minutes in WD-40 in it. Oh, no, it's not working anymore. Great. That still works, but barely. So this tiny key, this tiny lock. To compare it, I got the EOS 6520 here. So it's about, I don't know, 25. Do I have I got a 30 here also. Check. So it's about a 25. But it's very, very small. Okie dokie. Let's try to get it open. So I don't know what tension tool I'm using for it. I need to get this in the vise, it's too tiny. It only has 3 pins. I found it on Ricardo and thought it was a little bigger, but it's apparently not. So I don't know what to do with this lock. I need somehow to get tension on it. Just without flying off. So if I have a small enough pick, I might get in there and pick this damn thing. Let me feel the pins first. So it's a 50,000. 15,000. The pins are okay. They are working. And what else can I use? Oh, I got an idea. I got this little bucket full of tensioners. Let's see if I can find something different out of the box. Let's see. It blocks my whole keyway. Not working. What else? Maybe I can use some from the Sparrow flag set. Not working. No, that doesn't look too bad. I mean, I'm happy if I can rake it. So the problem is the first one is always the one you can't set really good. I don't want to break this pick again, because it's one of my favorites. I haven't even heat tubed it. I do have a rake here. Yes, I do. I'm happy if I can rake it, to be honest. It is too big. So I need something very try something different. This is way it's taking way too long for this padlock. Probably can bump it or something, I don't know. I need a very small, shitty tension wrench maybe. Okay. Get a different pick. No, not a sparrow. Sparrows is too big. Sparrows. The tip of the Peter's not too big. That's not working either. Maybe I worm rake it? I don't know. I have no clue what to do right now. Nope. Okay, I'm defeated. This little fucking China lock beat me. Let's try it one more time. I believe it's almost done. Oh, okay. We got it. We take it, that's it. I'm never going to touch you again. This one humiliated me a little. So we got this Firaco Cration lock, which is fucking keyway. Which doesn't turn back somehow. I don't know, this thing's screwed, I believe. There you have it, a very tiny, nasty lock. Sorry that it took me almost 10 minutes, but thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.